Guess what time it is? It's this time already. It feels like it's come round really fast. But I'm not complaining. We love a good hamster mailbox. So we're gonna get to the fun bit and cut into it without hurting myself, please. That would be much appreciated. Ooh. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, I'm gonna lower you down. Okay, so what have we got? Ooh. Okay, so as always, I will read the little card. Oh, actually, let's look at this first. So this month's theme is Harvest Festival, which is so cute. Look, this is a little card, which I'm gonna totally use if Reggie lets me. Who is the charity of the month? Oh, Tiny Paws Manchester. I think I follow them on Instagram. They are a safe haven for over 100 small animals, including hamsters. Oh. They find their way to the rescue for various reasons, ranging from large-scale welfare cases, or being lost, or even abandoned. And many of them are considered unwanted. How can you not want a pet? Oh, this is so cool. Recently, they've launched a new exciting initiative called Become a Tiny Paws Pal, positively changing lives of rodents and rabbits. Yeah, if you want to go and learn more about that incentive, I can't do words. What are words? I said it like literally 5 seconds ago. Initiative. Yeah, if you want to know more about that initiative, go over to tinypawsmanchester.org.uk. Oh my god, I need sleep. Yeah, go and do that. I'm gonna do that after I've filmed. Oh, it smells weird. Oh, it smells really nice. Okay, let's get in. I love me some tissue paper. Oh, wow. So, first things first, we've got some sunflower pouch. Oh my god, you do not understand how obsessed with sunflower seeds Reggie is. So this is kind of like forage. Oh my god, he will love this. Oh, it's his favourite treat. And that's by Healthy Hopper. I'm sure I've used some of their stuff before. I've had the popcorn one in one of these boxes, and I've had the veg patch as well. What else have we got? Ooh, Harvest Forage. Oh wow, look at this. This is also by Healthy Hopper. I quite like Healthy Hopper's forage mixes. Oh wow. I will also get Reggie out tonight. If it feels like getting up, I'll pop him in his playpen and we'll see what he thinks to all these. Right, straw toys. I think these are safe. I'll just have to double check. But these are by Trixie. Can you see the like straw? Basically what it says on the packet. But I will have to double check. So I'll either put that down now whether it's safe or not, or forget. And then we've got a Rosewood Naturals. I was gonna say I don't think Reggie's fat ass would fit in there, but it's got no bottom, so that's fine. Oh, so this is a carrot cottage. And it's made from cellulose fibre board, coated in meadow hay and topped with a real carrot roof. I'm guessing that's just cardboard, so that should be all right for him. But yeah, very cool. So that was my mine and Reggie's hamster mail for the month. can't wait to get loads of pictures with it for him to try it all out. And anything he doesn't like will be going to Bumble, as I'm getting him in like 2 weeks. Yeah, so Reggie's gonna have to learn how to share. It's just simple, mate. You can't be the prince, well, the king for your entire life. Well, you can. They can both be my kings, but I'm gonna have to learn to share cock. Also, I'm not being rude. Cock is like what we call each other back in Barnsley, so I'm not calling you a dick. But I need to put these scissors down. I'm gonna end up slicing myself or something else. Anyway, that was a short video. You'll probably see the next video of me in like this again, because I'll probably film straight after. But yeah, that was the hamster mailbox. It was the Harvest Festival one, and it was very nice. If you want to see more hamster videos by me, don't forget to check out the hamster playlist. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Okay, bye.